here with Cheesecake. We are fishing right now. Well, I'm not yet, but Cheesecake is.
What?
There's little M&Ms there. So we are fishing on a lake. I don't know the name of the lake. Keswick or something. Yeah, Keswick.
Cooks Bay.
Cooks Bay.
In Keswick.
And we got our hut right here. I'm in my little chair. That's the heat source. And we got hot chocolate from Timmy's.
Oh shoot!
And then our bucket and Cheesecake might have a fish.
Let's open up the M&Ms. Yeah, that definitely took my minute.
There's some minor turbulence right now. Yeah. And we'll come back when we have a fish. We've been here for a little bit and Cheesecake finally got a fish. It's kind of putting a little bit of a fight. Oh.
Got one. What do I do now? Oh my god. All 3 hooks are in him.
Well, that's the first fish of the day. Let's go. We'll come back for the next one. Hope that doesn't take that long. Guys, we're back. Cheesecake has caught a couple more. We didn't film it because, you know, I'm too slow to get the camera. He's just chilling in the chair. So for me, I got my rod. And I just have like a little spinner spoon thing with a minnow on it, attracting the fish.
Spinner spoon.
So I pulled the camera up because I was maybe seeing if we can get Cheesecake.
Why don't you show them your setup with the eyeball?
So yeah, Cheesecake's gonna show us what he's using. He's gonna reel up. He just got his setup from sale the other day.
So basically I have I'd say a minnow jig head, and then from one of the perch I caught, I just took out the eyeball and I've been using that. And I caught like 5 more, so it's pretty nice.
Okay, when we come back, next time, I'm hoping it'll be when Cheesecake has a fish on, or me. You know, back Cheesecake said he had a couple nibbles on.
That one.
Oh.
It came off.
Oh.
Why did I have to do that, Sam?
Guys, I have a fish on, and it's decently sized, I guess, and that's all right. Yeah.
Hey, it's me. Who's this for?
What's going on, guys? So anyway, the fishing got a little slow, so I decided to do a little catch and cook. So in here, I just have flour, salt, pepper, celery salt, and Cajun. So my dad filleted the perch, and we normally wouldn't keep these, but since they swallowed the hook and they would have died, so we just kept them, and then we're gonna eat them. So, and then we also have a lemon for the fish. So we're just gonna put all of these in and push the seasoning into the fish because we don't have like egg or milk. We're just gonna take these, put them in, just shake them up. Something like that. So we're just gonna put the butter in the pan. And yeah. start cooking. Okay, well if you can hear that, it's just windy right now. Butter up the pan. Test to see if it's hot enough. Not yet.
Hi. Hey. Beckers. Baxters. Cheesecakers.
Okay, so we'll just put one fish in for now.
One fish.
Well, just for now, just to leave it there, you know?
To leave it there.
And I'll come back when the pan's ready to put the fish back in. Okay, so we're back and the pan is hot and ready, so it's ready for the fish. I think that's it. Season up that water. Okay, so that's all the fish for now. Hopefully. And I don't understand how that got up there. That's kind of creepy. I did not flip that. On an angle. These fish don't got any action. And then also, I don't know if I told you, the lemon.
That's a lemon. Not a grapefruit, that's a lemon.
So we'll put this on the fish when it's done.
Floury.
And right now until the pan, like when the fish almost are ready, you can just watch Cheesecake fish.
It's me. Know what I do?
Just talk to them.
Talk. Hi. It's me.
Explain what you're using for bait.
Explain. Wait, I have a bait. God, I missed it.
It's gonna take a while because the gas can, like the stuff in it's frozen.
Yep.
So not a lot of heat will come out.
Yeah.
And they're literally moving. That's kind of scary. Wait, that's kind of weird.
Oh, shoot. This thing is bobbing up
They're
and down.
moving. Cheesecake has a fish on.
Got one.
A little perch.
Oh, no, mine. Uh-oh. This is a sticky situation. Very sticky and fishy. Oh, wait, how's my line moving? Oh god, they need help. They need help. Okay, so I got a little. Ow. A little perch. Tiny, tiny perch.
So, soon we're just gonna flip them and then add the lemon. So, oh.
I missed it.
So yeah, we're just gonna flip them now. And I added a little bit more flour because I wanted to get them a little crispy, but that did not happen. So, oh. Kind of look like shrimp. We're just gonna cut the lemon. Okay, the tent is moving.
Oh god. Uh-oh. Oh god. Oh no. Becky.
Just squeeze some lemon.
Oh, came out. That's good.
Okay. We'll add a second lemon. For a quarter of the lemon. I don't know what Cheesecake's doing, but he's doing something.
And it's done. There's a chip in the hole, by the way. So, you guys want to see the closer? I just want to know.
Okay, so the fish are gonna be done soon.
Done.
Hopefully. I'm sorry for all the transitions, but like,
It's cut.
they're done? Oh, okay. Apparently they are done. Just do one more quick flip and then take them off. Oh, it's falling apart. Okay, so
I want one.
these are all the fish. So yeah, I guess I'll try it. Lemon on it.
Lemon on it.
That's good.
Very good. Tasty.
Oh, that's really good.
Is it chunky?
Got some bones. That's okay though. That's hot. I just ate like the whole back.
Okay.
Yeah, this is really good. We'll just drop that in the hole for the other fish to enjoy. And yeah. That's my so yeah, that's really good. Sorry, my phone just glitched up, so I'll just give this to Cheesecake here.
Wait, let me put my rod down. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Okay. Let me just take a little piece off.
Take a whiff.
It's actually decent for turkey sub. It's actually pretty good.
So, hopefully you liked the video. Make sure to try out the recipe, And yeah, it's really good. You won't be disappointed. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you for the next video.
Yes,
Bye.